Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I have another awesome special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This is a NANOLEAF, smarter by design. It's I'm not sure it's a LED, but this is the hexagon shapes smarter kit. It comes with a 7 light panel. You can and then connect the plus. Work with the Apple Home Kit. This is the side view. And I believe you can control with your smartphone by downloading the app from Apple Store or the Google Play Store. And then it's compatible with the Alexa IFTTT, and then works with the Google Assist or work with the Smart Things, and also Apple Home Link. Here's the EPC code right here, and this is made in China. So I guess they have a different kind of package. 7, 16, 7. This is one is the 7 one, or there's a 10 hexagon. So this one has a ambient or functional. And then touch experience, music visualizer, and then layout detect, simple setup. Let's go and then take this one out. So let's go and see what's inside this box. So there are different kind of layout that you can use. And here's a quick start guide. It comes with the linkers, controller, power supply, mounting tape, mounting plates, and then light panels. Let's go and then check out what's inside this box. So here the interconnection right here, and come with a double-sided tape. And then here the template, and then a double-sided tape. Wow. And then here the hexagon light. So on the back here's how you connect it. But there you got some of this pattern is kind of different. So all you need to do is just clip this on here, and then connect the other one to the other plate. And you're supposed to put this double-sided tape on this, but this one is allow you to rotate. it says something about Hong Kong, but it's made in China. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of this. And then inside here, you got this control module right here. And you will need to connect that connection right there as well. So probably connect right next to it like this. And then there's a on and off button, minus, plus, and then an arrow. Not sure what's this one, maybe a different pattern. And then there's a music. And come with this, wow. This is a big class 2 power unit. It's 42 volts, 1 amp. And then you just slide this in there like that. And then plug this into the wall outlet. And here's the connection right there. Yeah, give it a test real quick and see. I'm not sure with the controller, could I turn it on or what? If I plug in, I'm not sure it's gonna work right away. Let's see. Oh, it did. It grew a little bit, and then so it's pretty easy to remove. Let me just try one of this. What the? Let's turn it on. Yeah, I'm not sure. You probably need to download the app and set it up. Anyway, I'll do a next video on that. This is just a quick unboxing video. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.